guys, today I'm gonna be opening a package that my dad got, and I'm the best Nerf gun shooter. I'm the best Nerf gun shooter because I am not a noob.
He's not a noob.
So let's get straight to it and open this.
You gonna tell them who you are?
Yeah, my name's William, by the way.
William. What do you go by? What's your Minecraft name?
TNTell the YouTuber.
TNTell the YouTuber. So open up your package and see what's in it.
Okay.
I already opened it up, but he hasn't seen it yet.
Which, it's hard to open. Oh, here we go. Alright, I'm closing my eyes. A Target!
A Target? What is it a Target for, do you think?
A Nerf gun.
A Nerf gun?
Alright.
The other day, did we get some Nerf bullets?
Yes.
When was that, like a week ago?
Yeah.
Maybe 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
How many bullets do you have left?
I don't know.
You found 10 scrounging through the floor, right? You got 10 out of 100?
No, I got 12.
12 because we loaded your gun up. So, like 2 weeks ago, I bought him 100 Nerf darts. He's down to 12. His mama finds them on the floor, and I think she throws them away because she doesn't like Nerf guns, because apparently she gets shot with them quite a bit.
Let's go ahead and get my Nerf gun out.
Get you
The Nerf Striker.
Don't point the gun at people. It's the Retaliator. And did we see a video the other day where they made that more powerful?
Yeah.
Right? Were we looking at that? I think we might try that here one of these days. Oh, we're losing the piece. So, this is from the same company, actually, that we bought the Nerf darts from.
Yeah.
Right? So, Amo Sting, I think it's called. They're on Amazon. But this is, what, $11? $11?
Yeah.
Well, you don't know because it was a surprise. But in it, it's basically a Nerf gun dart holder. But, right, Nerf gun dart holder. But it's got a little hook that sticks to the wall. And then you run this through there. And when you shoot your darts, it gives you something to aim at other than Mommy when she's on the computer.
Thank goodness.
Right? But if you shoot through the hole, you'll keep the darts. Would you like to set it up and try it?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I have a feeling I'm...
All right, go.
Shoot it.
Hey guys, we're back, and let's sit this out. Alright, watch carefully. If
Just shoot.
Okay, bye.
My turn.
Oh yeah, I gotta get over.
Oh.
That was one of them dog chewed ones. Oh!
So far you got 2 in there. Oh, out of ammo.
Is that
Alright.
enough?
Did you catch it going
Yeah.
in?